Those 6 days. Monday, 22nd July 2013. Clouded skies and rains bring excitement and joy with them. I felt cheerful all of a sudden. The sweet smell of wet earth invigorated me. At last the monsoons had arrived in Delhi. Suddenly there were traffic jams everywhere. But the first monsoon showers always bring great joy, and many children decided to play in the rain on their way to school. Tuesday, 23rd July 2013. I went for my music lessons. I sat down with the other students to sing songs to welcome the first showers of rain. The soft patter of raindrops on the windows and the cool breeze added to the charm of the atmosphere. When I pick up my sitar and sing sweet melodies, I forget all my worries and feel at peace. Wednesday, 24th July 2013. My family decided to take a holiday and visit my grandparents who stay on a farm in Shimla. On our way, we crossed many villages. We saw women gracefully swinging by with pitchers perfectly balanced on their heads. On the way, we stopped the car as we couldn't resist the pleasant scene around us. My mother took out the eats, and within minutes we had a nice spread in front of us. The beauty of the place was breathtaking. Thursday, 25th July 2013. We reached the farm and more delights awaited us there. Trees were laden with fruits in the orchard. My grandparents were very happy to see us. All of us got together to pick the fruits. We helped pack the fruits into baskets. Friday, 26th July 2013. In the morning, we went to a village nearby. Boys were out in the fields flying kites. It seems a kite flying competition is being held. One can see colorful kites in the sky and boys running around with sticks in hand to grab the kites cut by their rivals. I too tried my hand at kite flying. Saturday, 27th July 2013. Early morning we left for home. It had been a pleasant holiday, but we had to get back to school on Monday. We had a light dinner and then my mother asked us to go to bed. My little brother was sitting near the window and gazing at the sky when my mother came and stood next to him. The sight of them standing close together touched me and made me realize how contented and blissful my world is.